Morning, morning.
Morning. Where's Rick again? Where has he gone? But we all know where he's gone because he's gone on his bike, hasn't he?
We mentioned it in the previous video.
A few times, yeah. So he's somewhere sunny and we're in the cold.
With a beautiful Christmas tree though.
Oh, I know. We need some baubles on it.
So if you want to send us some
yes.
baubles or decorations.
Yeah, not little tiny ones from Amazon. They don't do the trick.
Did you think they were going to be bigger?
Yeah, they lied to me.
It's a man busy at work.
Oh, Davla, it's all going so badly.
Mate, it's always a deadline.
This is because everybody else comes first.
So, just a quick recap then. For the viewers, this is Tuesday next week.
Yeah.
And you're not here.
No, I am away. And I'm frantically trying to get this ready to go away.
So you're off to Cartagena?
No, Almeria.
Almeria.
Yeah. So just a bit of a wintry test.
Nice. So you're off with Paul and the PCR crew?
Yeah, a couple of lads who race BSB, and then weather's decent, so you can get some testing in, because obviously with proper BSB, to do what testing wise, do what you want up until Christmas.
Yep.
And then the testing rules come in. So, and we were
a good opportunity to get some laps in.
Yeah, pretty much. So we've gone over it top to bottom, and I've put my gash fairings on it, and then it can go in the truck. So
nice. Well, we'll do the rest of the update without you.
Yeah, you're going to do it all without me,
unless you send us a couple of clips.
Yeah, I can send you some video stuff. That'd be all right.
You're sitting around in your shorts in the blistering 20-degree heat.
I think it's still cold. I don't think it's
not as cold as here though.
It's shorts and flip-flop weather.
Yeah. Right, I'll let you crack on. Don't put that mic too close.
Oh, you always shout at me first. Shall I clip it on now? Because you're going to shout at me anyway.
Clip it on. Let's watch the muff doesn't entangle with your luxurious beard.
How's the noise reception?
Testing. Right. We're in the workshop of dreams.
Yes, stuff is happening. Tom's doing an alpha still.
Yeah, we had a few comments about that. Do you do alphas? Well, clearly.
Yeah, Tom does. So Tom, I think Tom's going to specialise in them for us. So if you need any alpha work doing, let us know. We'll get Tom on it.
Tom is waving furiously in the background.
He is literally crying. He's saying, yes, we do alphas and we love doing alphas.
Hang on, I can't get you on mic there. Right, say that again.
This is the first Alfa Romeo we've done. It's also the last. So
appears to be working with a centre console there, dude.
Yeah, so we're just swapping the centre console over on this one. Obviously, it's had loads of other work as well. What have we done? Full valved exhaust system.
Yep.
Downpipe, charge pipes.
Anti-roll bar.
Rear anti-roll bar.
You had to wire in the stuff for the valve, didn't you?
Controller, yeah.
Yeah.
So yeah, it's having a lot. Now it's on the console.
And you don't want to see another one?
They're okay. They're just
Italian.
Yeah. Okay. Right, what else we got going on then?
Kate's car's in for a service eventually. I think she's been waiting on it since it was new. Yeah, it's one of those things. But yeah, it's in for full service now.
Right, R8?
Yes, R8. Servicey bits and all that kind of stuff, the usual.
Yep.
I think he had a couple of leaks as well. This guy was really nice, actually. He dropped it off and he brought his little dog with him. So if you see in the front...
Oh, was that the sausage dog?
Yeah, so he's got his blanket in the front for the dog and the little belt and everything.
Doggy blanket.
Yeah, the dog goes everywhere with him. I love it.
He had a lovely little sausage.
Yeah, it was quality.
That sounds right.
Whoa, I've just clocked what you said there. Let's,
okay, moving swiftly on.
Yeah, next, RS6. Yeah, RS6, obviously engine's still out. We're waiting on some seals for this one. The issue with this one is the seals we need, you can't get separate from other bits, and those other bits are expensive and don't need replacing, so it's just a waiting game to get some seals, essentially. So, but yeah, we're getting there eventually.
You have a delivery that's just arrived.
Yeah, some bolts for the subframe for the Alfa Romeo. So to do the anti-roll bar on the back of them, you've got to drop the subframe down a little bit, and they're obviously stretch bolts that hold in the subframe, so we've got to bang some new ones in. So you can use the old ones, but don't use the old ones because they will just snap and they're stretch and your subframe will fall out and then you'll have a bad time and then you'll have to come see us to put a new subframe in and Tom will be fuming. So get new bolts. For the sake of a couple of quid, just buy new bolts.
For Tom's sanity?
Yeah, please. I'm not listening to him whine all week again.
Right, where do we get to? I can see some very posh looking seats here.
Yes. So, someone that Matt sort of knew, he wanted some new seats in his Ferrari. So these are from what I've been told, these are the comfort seats.
So these are out of the 458 that we did the little guide on the other day,
The
aren't they?
red one, yeah. So yeah, he's put I think they're like their version of the bucket seats or sport seats in them now.
Sport seats, yeah.
And yeah, they look good. I think Matt got some videos, to be fair, so...
If you want a set of 458 seats,
Yes.
hit us up.
Yeah, let us know. I'm sure he'll be happy to get rid of them.
Obviously, the bike corner is looking a bit bare.
Yeah.
Because Rick's taken bike to Spain.
Oh, Spagni.
Some engines here.
Yes. I think they're the ones he's building, aren't they?
I think so.
I don't know bikes.
Right. So there we go.
Yes.
And I think that is it.
Yeah,
Apart from
that's everything in here.
what we might have outside.
There's a couple of things outside.
Oh my God, I'm vibrating.
You are.
The new M5
The new M5.
is here.
Wow. Come on in, talk us through it, Tom.
It's
You're
green.
the BMW man.
Yeah, so obviously a little bit of history with BMs. But yeah, it's heavy, apparently. That's what people say.
What's the weight they're claiming on this?
Just over 2.4 tons
Okay.
on these, yeah. So quite beefy. But obviously it is a hybrid, so hybrid cars are heavier naturally.
Yep. So, engine-wise then, what are we looking at?
V8 up front,
Yep.
obviously paired with the hybrid battery and motor. So you're looking at about 530 brake from the engine and then another 170 from the motor. Combined power is 727 to be exact.
727.
Yeah, so it's a lot of power. But then again, it's a lot of car that you need to move as well. So yeah, I really like them. A lot of people say they don't. Like, it's not a proper M car and it's not an M5.
Yep.
But yeah, I think it's just moving with the times, to be honest.
Yeah, I'd agree with that. And it's not full electric either, which is
No.
good to see.
So, and they have kept the V8, which is nice.
Yeah. It's properly aggressive at the front, isn't it?
Yeah, so 3 inches wider at the front, I think, and
Yep.
2 inches wider at the back.
And obviously, do they do an estate version yet, or are they going to do one?
I think they do, or are bringing out an estate version. They do a estate 5 series.
Yeah.
I don't know if the estate M5 is out.
What's the list price on these then, Tom?
Now you're testing me.
You see.
Said it was 112.
112 starting, I think.
Okay.
Around that. So it's a lot of money
But you get 45% tax back, apparently.
if you're a business owner. So yeah.
Get the mic there so you can say that again.
Here you go.
Yeah, apparently, I think they were saying you get like 45% tax or VAT back, whatever it is. I don't know.
With it being a hybrid?
But yeah.
Yeah. So
Okay.
Rick's going to be buying us company cars.
So we're back over the old workshop.
Yes, inside, out the wind.
Yep.
Slightly warmer, not much warmer.
And we found something a bit retro and lovely.
Yes, this is one of Jordan's customers, a Mercedes 190E.
2.5 16 valve, aka Cosy.
And the steering wheel is on the wrong side.
It's a left hooker. But look at that. We were just saying, weren't we? That's how engine bays used to be.
Yeah, like if you want to change a headlight bulb, you just unclip some things and change a bulb.
Yep.
Like it's not a bumper off
to
mission
remove
sort
the
of
whole
thing.
front of the
Yeah,
car.
like you ain't got to take the bonnet off or anything. Like, 'cause what year is this? Is it 88? I think F-Reg.
It's an F's 88.
Yeah,
89
we'll go
was
with
G,
it.
wasn't it?
Yeah, we'll go with that.
Yeah.
yeah.
No, F's 89.
Oh, okay.
I used to have an F-Reg Orion.
Yeah.
But yeah, look at this.
Yeah, every time I see one of these, I just think of James May in Top Gear because it's got that dogleg box. Him just put it in reverse
Yes.
and then crashing into just everyone.
That was vintage Top Gear.
Yeah.
A dogleg first gear. It is away from you and backwards.
Those are his reversing lights.
But look at this. So obviously, it's in some
Cleaning stuff.
cleaning stuff from Jordan.
Yeah. But even still, it's not It's not minging, it just needs a good clean.
Yeah.
And it's other than like it's pretty rust free from what we can see. Well, it is rust free.
It looks great, doesn't it?
There.
And the size of it looks so small now compared to all the new stuff.
Yeah, like that M5 we were just talking about over the other side.
Yeah.
Huge, absolutely massive. And they're essentially the same thing, just from different timelines.
So what were you saying before? Open the door.
So, the gearboxings first is where second would normally be. You can kind of see on the top of his knob.
So old school dog leg box.
Yeah. And then
easy to put it in reverse by mistake.
it's actually not. You have to lift it up and put it into reverse, as I found out when it would not go into reverse.
Yes.
So it's got like a safety thing, but I'm sure if it wears out over time, this is like any other safety thing, it will drop off.
And if we had smell-o-vision now,
Oh my God.
as you said before, it smells like the 90s.
Yeah.
Honestly. It's that oily, leathery kind of smell inside.
The back seats are fantastic as well. They're like normal seats, but I think it's locked. Oh no, it's not locked.
Look at these. Individually sculpted rear seats. How cool are they?
Like a proper seat.
Yeah. Look at that.
But it's weird, it's not as if it's like short of leg room,
No.
even though it's a fraction of the size of most modern cars. I suppose they haven't got 900 airbags in them, have they? So
Well, this is true. Yeah, what a thing.
is it heated seats as well? I think it is heated. Yeah, heated seats.
Look, nice.
Electric front and rear windows.
Leather trim. There's the gauges there. Yeah, a lot of time for this.
Discs and pads all round. That's unusual for a car of this age. Yeah, it's nice. Said roof bars on it at some point. Oh, sunroof as well.
Yeah. And you got the stubby passenger door mirror.
Yeah.
Got the little one there. And then a bigger one on the driver's side. Obviously, the
What
wrong
other
side
cars?
for us.
Other cars did that. Lupos did it, I think.
Lupos did it, yeah, because people used to fit the smaller one on the driver's side.
Yeah, and
then you've got your single DTM style wiper. Yeah, a lot of time for this.
it's even still got the Mercedes plates on it as well. Obviously, they would have been changed since it was new, but
Yeah.
it's just signs that it's been at Mercedes for its whole life.
But like you say, all of the exotic stuff that comes in here, and everybody who's seen this has just gone, yeah. I want that.
Everyone's made a beeline for this one.
Yeah.
It's just one of them timeless ones, isn't it? Everyone sort of knows it.
Would you have this over the M3?
What, of the era?
E30, yeah?
I don't think I would.
I would have gone for the E30, definitely. Although, actually, I would have had the Evolution 2.
Yes.
These.
Yeah,
The
they
Evo
are cool.
2 with the big wing and the wide arches.
Yeah.
Right, so while we're in here then, let's have another very quick recap. Obviously, no Ricardo, so
No.
we've got here.
The 300's still here. I think someone wanted to buy it, and then someone didn't want to buy it, and then someone wanted to buy it. So as far as I'm aware, it's still for sale. You can still buy it.
Reach out in the comments, make an offer.
Yeah, or email us. The email's on the Tinternet. Please someone buy it. Jordan's Lotus still here on trickle charge. I think he wants to start doing some more track days next year, so
Okay.
get him out. Another one of Jordan's customers with a VXR Nürburgring edition thing.
That is the third one that we've seen around here recently.
Yeah, Matt loves these things for some reason,
Yeah.
but
this thing is immaculate. I mean, honestly.
yeah, this one's a minter. Apparently, the underside of it's like incredible.
This is the guy who had the immaculate Gallardo from probably a couple of years ago we had on the channel.
Oh,
And
okay.
it all ice blasted underneath, and it literally looked better than a new car.
Yeah,
And this is his other one. He's really into his hot hatches as well, so he's collecting these.
because he's got is that the same guy with the Megane as well?
That's right,
He
yeah.
bought the last liquid yellow Megane off the production line. That's literally went this morning, so you're not seeing that one. Tough.
Obviously, a lot of stuff here that's work in progress to be moved over to the new
Yeah,
unit.
waiting for the engine room to be done. That's really close now. So, and then the yellow Gallardo here. I believe we've had a key done for it. I think, don't quote me, it's from AP Keys.
Okay, so we've had a few people commenting, when can we see the next part of the Gallardo? Like you say, we've been waiting for the key, haven't we?
Yeah. So as far as I'm aware, we've got a key now. So who knows? That might be this week.
Yeah.
Wait and see. Do you know what you should do, actually? If you want to find out, subscribe. Do that, and then you'll know. And there's a bell. Click the bell. Do that. That's good for us. Thank you very much. And then Huracan. This is having rear shocks. So Unfortunately, you can't convert these off the mag ride because of the whole nose lift function.
Yep.
So these rear shocks are being sent off to be rebuilt and re-shockified.
Right.
And then that one's good to go. And then, yeah, the Noble tucked away in the corner there.
The Noble, again,
Still here.
if you fancy it.
That's still for sale as well. Emails, calls, the lot. Money talks, remember that? And then, yeah, S4 there. So just road tested that one today. Just going to finalise that one, make sure the leaks are all sorted. And then that one should be good to go.
Out the door. Lovely. Right. Well, I think that's pretty much caught up with what's going on.
Yeah, that's I think we're about there. No Rick, obviously. I think he might be in a bit of the video, but he's not here today, so...
We might see if he'll send us a bit of footage from his Spanish trip.
Yes.
And we'll have to think of something to do for Friday.
Yeah, I'm sure we'll figure that out. But yeah, that's that. If you could do much liking of the video, that would be great, because then Rick thinks we've done a good job, so... And that just makes us look better.
Keep our jobs a bit longer.
Exactly, yeah. So do buttons, subscribing, liking, bell buttons, the usual jobbies, and then, yeah, see you Friday.
See you later, dude. And there's the beast. There's Nate's Chaser. And right next to Matt's Beamer. What would you choose? E92 track car? Chaser drift car? Both V8? Jap versus German? What would you go for?